Today we're going to show you how to build your very own potato tower. This is one that we started about a week and a half ago, and you can already see that we've got some potatoes starting to peek out at the side. So these are the ingredients we'll be using to build our potato tower. You'll need a heavy gauge wire. You can use it for a variety of things, including trellises, so it'll have a multitude of uses in your garden. We'll use this looks like about 4 feet to make our potato mound. You'll also need some cardboard. Of course, you're going to need some straw. We're just using an old potting mix left over from last year, organic compost, and some mycorrhizal. These are the eyes. You can cut the potatoes once, and you usually want to kind of split along the eyes. And then you'll just take the rest of your potatoes and keep doing it layer by layer until you reach the top of your potato tower. Soon enough, you'll be cooking your own French fries.